Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna explain how to add group admin in Facebook group. In this tutorial I use Android device. So, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Tap to the hamburger menu icon at the right corner. Step 2. Tap to the Groups button. Step 3. Tap to You Groups and click on Group You Manage. Step 4. Click on Shield icon at the right corner. Step 5. Tap to People menu. Okay, in this section as you can see I have 540 members in my new group. So, you can search the name of account that you want to add as admin. For example, you can see in the screen. Step 6. Tap to add as admin, then send the invitation. Okay, if this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.